Number 5. Presto Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. This pressure cooker will change your cooking game. Want a basic, durable pressure cooker? This stovetop model excels with its stainless steel construction, making it perfect for acidic foods and giving it an edge over cheaper aluminum options. Safety first. The cover lock keeps the lid secure, while the inner sealing ring ensures pressure stays put. No need to worry about runaway steam. Thanks to the overpressure plug and simple steam mechanism, cooking with this cooker feels safe, even for first-timers. Induction-compatible, this cooker stands out among its peers. And cleanup? A breeze. Toss it in the dishwasher and consider it done. The included rack is a genius touch, lifting food off the bottom to prevent scorching. Versatility is key. Not just a pressure cooker, it doubles as a conventional pot. Plus, the 65 recipe booklet means you'll never run out of meal ideas. No adjustable pressure might sound like a bummer, but for everyday cooking tasks, it's fine. And yes, it only comes in 4-quart size, but that's just the right size for most kitchen needs. What shines most? It's stainless steel and compatibility with all stovetops, including induction. For anyone looking to elevate their home cooking, this pressure cooker's worth a closer look.